What's going on, guys? It's me and JT, but you can call me Nick. That's right, we're back. We're playing some more Sons of the Forest 1.0. And if you guys check out last video, we went into this cave and we are... Oh, we got the grappling gun. Let's go. Finally. There's twins down there. So if you guys didn't check out last video, we're literally right where we were before. So let's go. Woo! Oh, and I'm... Hey, bro, I just fell. I literally just...
Bro.
Oh my god, there's twins! There's two twins! Alright, give me my axe. Let's get them.
Double trouble!
Let's go, bro! Start off the video with a bang, man! We've already got the twins on our ass! And I'm dead. I'm dead.
Die, bro.
Oh, is one of them dead? Oh, that's just a worker. Nice. Oh, I missed. Oh! That's it.
But these guys are so annoying.
Bro, we need better armor, better axes. They're like severely underprepared. One down. One left. That's it. Good. Very good. Alright, let's get that creepy armor. Man, we need it! Alright, give me the rest. Good, very good. Alright. Good way to start off the video. Good old rumble within the jungle with the bloody fumbles. Let's go. Oh man, massive ass cave. Whew. Okay. It's quite peaceful actually.
Oh, this is the way out for sure.
Yeah, it has to be a. Now should we
go back? Because there's a lot more.
Well, there was more, yeah, so we definitely have to. Alright, let's
There's a
backtrack.
lot more.
Oh, jeez. Massive piles up. Is this the right way? I hope it is, bro. Oh, jeez. What's going on here, man? So many dead bodies, bro. How many bloody people are on this island? Like over a mil or something. So many dead bodies. It's crazy to think about. Wow. What is it? Ew, was this him? Maybe. Look at this guy. Alright, well, we're here now, so Geronimo! Alright, we made it. Look at this, eh? Oh, we might need the rebreather, bro. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, definitely not.
What's up here?
Oh, wait, what's down here, though? Oh, it's just water.
We'll come back now!
Yeah, I can't even see.
What is it?
We definitely need the rebreather for that. Alright.
This is the way back.
Oh, it's just the way back up. We need the rebreather for the other part, I'm pretty sure, though.
Nah, let's see if I can make it.
Alright.
Hold on, let me finish this game. Cool.
Alright, guys, we made it through the water. What is that?
Yeah, that's great.
Why is it shaking, bro? Oh, it
stop.
stopped. What was
Oh,
that?
what is this?
Oh,
Oh,
look, it's an artifact.
artifact.
Question mark, question mark, question
Oh, we
mark.
have to make it back, bro. Actually, no, we don't. If we die, we just respawn.
Look at that. Interesting, guys, interesting. Oh no, now we've got to swim again. Alright. And we're back out. We made it.
Oh, Kelvin.
Oh, there he is. Oh, no, no, V's are all here. Let's go, man.
Yeah,
We
right.
made it. Alright, where are we going next?
Let's go to that one we couldn't go to last time.
Oh, yeah, because we got the zip line now. So let's go there. Or we could go to the sharks. What do you want to do?
The Cronulla Sharks.
Yeah, we could go. Oh, I don't know. Your call.
Nah, let's go to the other one we can go to.
Yeah, good idea. Because we'll probably get like a shovel or something, eh? All right, we're back at the bloody here. Alright, so thank God, bro, we got that zip line out of the way. Because now we can get through, which is good. You know what we should do, Harry?
What?
We should mark like the caves we've been to.
Oh! Idiot, bro.
Alright, here
Try
we
to
go.
pick up the clock.
Whoa!
No way we need the rip breather, right?
I hope not.
Yeah, we definitely do.
Oh, do we?
I mean, the only way from here, from here, is the goddamn massive river. Like,
Alright, well, let's go.
there's no way we can do
Yeah,
this.
no, you're right. Already, but that's so annoying. Now, surely we just explore and see what's on the other side. Because we might not need it. Oh, we might. I don't know.
Fuck this.
Alright, we're at the beach, bro. Look at this. Ooh. Do you remember what happened here? Oh, he's too far. Oh my god, what a jump. Oh. Well, do you remember what happened here at this beach last time we were playing?
No.
Calvin died here, man.
Oh, yeah.
What is that music? Look, there's the smoke again.
What?
Look, the smoke in the distance.
Oh, yeah. Where?
Right in front of
yeah.
me. There's got to be something there, bro. You
Oh, what the f was that?
I was just walking right. Boo!
What was that?
What just happened? Come on, let's just get this shark, man. I mean the
Bro,
guy.
what are you talking about? Shark. What was that massive ocean? I'm gonna rewatch that and see what the hell that was.
Yeah, hey. Bro, I don't want to get eaten, man. Oh man, it's scary. Oof, I don't want to drown. Bro, it looks so far away. Alright. Finally.
God, it's deep digging. Damn.
Let me up! Yes! Toothbrush.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
our objective. Find team B.
Oh, 2 out of 3. Okay. So we still gotta look for the pink exclamation marks. Yeah, look, another GPS locator. Alright, good stuff. Now, what I am gonna do, where's the pistol? Let's equip that to number 3. Alright, we're gonna get back. No sharks are lurking, so we should be good. Alright, made it up. Is that Virginia? That's Virginia. Hey! What's going on? Why are you running? Hey, why are you running? Yeah, go on, let's get it. Oh! Yeah, get out of here then. My ass. Boy, where's she going? Come here. Don't you say Nah, don't, come on. Hey! What's going on there? The Virginia hit me, eh?
That was
Oh! Oh my... That is... Wow! Oh! Look at that! That is crazy! Oh my god! That is actually insane.
they're not going for you, I just showed them.
Oh. Oh. Oh wow. That is... That's some gruesome stuff right there. Bro, where are we? I'm in a cannibal camp. How do we... Oh. Bro, what is going on over there, man? What the hell? Oh my god, that guy's...
Oh, I got it. It's spear chucked in me, bro.
Oh, look at that guy. Look at him,
Oh, yeah,
he's
I
a
got
charger.
spear in my head.
Do you?
Yeah, someone's chucking spears at us, bro.
Oh no. Oh, and I'm dead too. I'm dead. Thank you very much.
Oh!
Nice, dude. Who's left?
So where's that cunt that chucked spear at me?
I think he's
Oh,
dead.
look, a new cannibal.
Where? Oh, wow.
A white cannibal.
That's
Not
sick.
like that was in the old game or anything, but oh.
Oh, he's got a flashlight. Oh my god. Yeah, it was in the old game, eh? And there he goes.
Yeah,
There's the spear cannibal. Dead.
I got a spear in my stomach, bro.
Jeez. Where's the light cannibal? Gone. Oh no, there he is. That one's dead. Get the light, bro. Get him. That's it.
Oh, he's invincible in the head, bro.
Yeah, get out of here, copycat. Yeah, that's it. Good shit. Alright, let's get on IVs. Let's get on our bike. Look at that. Bloody yacht. Who's got the? Who's bloody?
Bro.
Who's playing with toys in here, man? Edward Puffton, eh?
Edward Puffton.
Oh, the things are just here. The purple. So that's all the Bravo team.
Yo, what is good, bro?
Oi, you sound so much, bro. The radio sounds so much better, bro. You went straight past it.
Yo.
Where you going? It's on tour. Where you going? Oh,
Yeah, nice one, you egg.
did you see that? All right, here it is. Oh, don't tell me we have to
Where
dig
is
it
it?
up. Oh no. Oh.
Yeah, we do. We
No,
need a
we
shovel,
don't
look
even
at
have
this.
the shovel, bro. No, not again. Remember the shovel last time. We need the rebreather, I think, and then we go get the shovel.
I remember that was a cave next to the ocean, and there's one that right ahead of us. Follow me.
Alright, bet, let's go. Alright, let's get to this cave and we'll cut back there. I know stuff. Alright, Bravo team, what do we got? Oh, look at this.
Oh, printer is in.
Oh, nice. Alright, look at what we got here. Oh my god. Oh, sleep and save, maybe?
Oh my god. What is that?
Are you dead? No.
Nah.
Okay.
That's what every
Bro.
single time we walk up to some place, we just get bombed.
There's always some explosion going on, man. What is that? That must be a new update, eh?
New update, walking into a camp might get you exploded.
Do you want
I'm
to
gonna open
sleep?
my skin pouches.
Oh yeah, skin pouches. Hold on a minute. Alright, what do we got? Unboxing video.
Oh, that's actually so good.
Okay, coins. Alright, not bad. What's my next one?
Oh, feathers, I'll take that.
Whoa! What the hell? What was that, bro?
Dog!
Ah! It's in my
What
chest.
is
It's in my
that?
chest.
What's in your chest?
Do you want to sleep or not?
No, let's just go keep moving. I need to take a piss though.
Okay. Oh, there's a massive cliff here. Is that? Oh! Oh, another camp already? That was
But
quick.
did you not hear what I said, bro?
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying, was that quick?
Look at this
Flowers.
guy, bro. Look at this guy.
What is he doing, bro? Oh, there goes his leg. Oh no, his leg's still attached. Look at all this loot. Holy crap.
Alpha Bravo is an idiot.
So much here. Damn. Alright. I mean,
Spider.
look at this guy, eh? Can I hit him? No. Shame. Oh well. Oh
my god. What is it?
Not again, bro. Every single goddamn time, bro.
Alpha Bravo reporting for anal. Heading to the location of next cave on the southeast coast of the ocean. Over and out.
This guy, bro. What is he talking?
He's waiting
Can
for
Team,
backup.
can Team Maverick hear me on the radio? Over. Bro,
Team Maverick can hear you. Over and out.
oh, thank you. Over. And out. And in. Over and in. Where's the... Is there dead bodies here?
Team Maverick requesting immediate help located the cave.
Yep, Team Maverick is here. Team...
That's me, your egg.
Okay, Team NJ... Oh, I don't know, bro. I need to think of something. Team Salam Alaikum. Team Salam Alaikum is here.
Requesting immediate backup. Found a computer
what the hell?
locating something on the map.
What is that?
I'm grabbing the information. Entertainment bunker location has been acquired.
Let's go.
Team
Alright.
Maverick is happy. I don't know. I've caught I beat Sahara Therapeutics on our island.
Look, they fist
Over and
bump.
out.
Alright, cool. We got a laptop. That's that's new. We didn't have that in the original. Alright, what do we got in this?
Oh! Whoa, I didn't see this. Yeah, dogs.
What are you hitting? Oh. That's... Oh, nice. Where are you, bro? Oh. Whoa. Alright. What, an armsy?
Two normal fingers.
Oh, it's a finger.
Four bogeys in the... Four bogeys.
Okay. Oh, I'm so low. One shot. One heart.
Headshot dead. One dead. 200, full box.
Okay.
Headshot pump.
Box like a fish.
Bombing.
You're bombing.
I'm bombing.
Alright, I'm dead anyway.
Headshot. You're dead.
I'm dead.
Supervision.
I'm up. Instant.
Revive.
I'm dead.
What?
Do you want to respawn? We have to respawn.
Good thing immediate bomb.
Respawn, man. Oh, where are we now? Disgusting.
Requesting backup immediately.
Okay.
Project Bravo is a go.
Where is this guy? Oh. How did he get over there so quick? Did he even die? Must have. Team Bessemel is here. Team Bessemel sees fire. Good stuff.
Project Bravo is under go. On fire.
Yes, Project Bomb is dead. Good stuff, Project. What do I just say? Good job, Team Bravo.
Requesting Project Mohammed.
Aye. Oh!
Project Mohammed. Absolutely obliterated.
Thank you very much, Project Bravo.
Project Mohammed again. Project Mohammed.
Alright, let's go. Get him, get Project Mohammed.
What are you talking about?
Good job, he's dead.
Project Mohammed is a success.
Congratulations, Project Bravo, we have won the battle. Now we can either go up or left. Looks like we're going up. Oh, what did you just eat? What are you eating?
Stephen. Project Bravo is a success. Project Mohammed also a success.
Major success. It'll be in the papers tonight. Alright, what do we got down here? More dead bodies. Oh, I can't carry anything, man. I'm all full.
2 bogeys ahead.
Oh crap, we got more. Oh, there's some behind. I'll get them. Ouch, ouch. Project Bissemmel's dead. Yep.
Project Bravo!
Project Bravo, I need your help. Team Bravo, assistance required.
I'm Project Sniper right now, I'm sniping him.
Alright, sniping Project. The skull's halfway. Thank you, Project Bravo.
Headshot!
Team Bravo, I'm dead again.
Oh my god.
Fingers.
Headshot! I can't see anything!
That's alright, take your time, Bravo.
Are you dead?
No, I'm halfway through. Yeah, I need a revive.
Oh,
Thank you.
Say pressing a rewind, bro. I didn't know you were dead until you say something.
Oh, look at this. Ah, I'm dead again.
Project Sniper is the go. Project Damien Lillard, because he's a sniper.
Come on, Project, I need help. I need a revive, I'm dead.
You requesting a revive?
Revive requesting again, I'm already dead instant.
Oh my goodness, bro, you are awful. Joking.
These bloody fingers. Let me move. Alright, I'm alive. For a little while at least. What?
How many arrows?
Oh my god. Yep, fingers is dead.
Death finally.
Behind you, behind you!
I'm gonna get the damn arrows back.
They're dead. Look at this. Alright, I'm skinning. What did I just say?
You're skinning.
Alright, grab stuff off this guy, he's got good loot. Hold on.
2 ways to go. Oh, what's this?
Yeah, what is that? Oh! Okay, bro. Some random ass music.
Babies.
That's right, just leave him. Another long ass tunnel, man.
Whoa.
Oh, we got
this
some
is him.
Oh! Oh, we got the taser.
Oh, there you go.
There's the blob. What else? Is there anything else here? Just ammo.
That's it.
Now we've got to go the other path. There he is. Alright. Good stuff. Get that out. I don't need that equipped. Yeah, break that stuff down. Oh! Got a rope. Where's this going? Very deep.
My name's Nick, but you can call me NJT.
Bro, how deep? Okay. Alright, we're down. Let me just get all these. Alright, I'm on my way, Team Maverick.
The other way is just a dead end, by the way.
Yeah, it's a shame.
Oh, Project Bravo, I don't know what is going on in this cave. It's pitch dark. I literally cannot see anything. Oh, I found a note. A blueprint!
A blueprint, alright, nice. Alright, we're gonna go.
We've already seen it before.
Oh, okay. It's alright. I'll take it either way. Oh, it's just a cross. It's okay. What's down here? Oh, there's more down here, by the way. We've got so many paths. Oh, man. So tight.
So, hello?
Yes, hello, hello.
Alright, let's keep moving.
We've got 2 more paths. We've got to backtrack at some point. Is this what?
Yeah, let's just go back.
Yeah, because that's where we came from. So.
Sorry, I forgot we're on YouTube family friendly PG-13. Actually, you know who PG-13 is, Nick? If you tell me who he is, I'll give you $5 trillion.
Parental guidance.
No, he's a person.
Oh! What? Oh!
Oh, another one!
All right. Look at this. Good stuff.
One more guess, $1 trillion.
PG. His name is PG.
No, that's his like
Initials. PG. Is he a basketball player?
Yeah, but if you search it up, it doesn't count.
Okay, fine. I swear on my video I was searching up. Alright, I'm gonna say Kobe Bryant.
That's KB, you egg.
Damn, bro. I guess I didn't get it, eh?
It doesn't matter. It's Paul George.
Oh, how was I gonna get that?
What do you mean, bro? He's like the most recognized, one of the most recognized basketball players of all time.
Oh, okay. Do we go all the pathways?
What?
Do we go every way? Yeah, I assume we did.
I don't know what the fuck you're
Got to the
talking
next
about.
cave. Holy crap. We need the rebreather though for this, I think.
Definitely. Oh, here it is.
Oh, let's go! We got the rebreather. Stuff,
We're gonna have
man.
to swim with the sharks, bro.
Oh no. Alright guys, I think because we just got the rebreather, we're gonna end the video there. What a good spot to end it. Yeah, rebreather. Good stuff, man. Finally, we can go back to the rope cave as well. Anyway guys, I'm gonna end the video there. Please like and subscribe. See you guys next one. Bye bye.